Welcome to the first snow of 2016, in New Jersey at least. This is my lovely car. It's actually not really that bad. I mean, it could be a hell of a lot worse. It's like wet snow, almost like slushy kind of snow, but slushy snow. But I figured I'd document this for everybody. It's pretty cool. So, gotta go handle some things. That's how that works. But I don't know. What the hell's coming down the street? Man. It's really not even that cold, to be honest. Every time you see snow, you always think it's cold, but it's really not. Alrighty, so I just cleaned off my car. It's really not that bad. Looks like, I don't know, man. I mean, it is still kind of early in the winter season, kind of. But it seems like it might be a mild winter this year. I have no idea, but I'm ready for anything. I've fucking lived here my whole life, so I've had some shitty fucking winters. Oh boy, gotta go handle some things here. But that's about it. Just driving here, it's really not that bad. It really isn't. It's just, whenever somebody sees snow, they're like, oh, it's all fucked up and it's all fucked up and shitty, and really not that bad at all. Oh man. I don't know. I just figured I'd, throw the friggin' record button on and start documenting all this. That'd be pretty cool, Yeah, I definitely got to do a different one when turns in, when we actually get like a real blizzard. This is a dusting. This is nothing. Trust me. We're used to getting a lot of fucking snow over here. So, well, that's about it. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I will see you when I see you.